Hi everyone, it's Kevin tomorrow with Strama AI. Today's video, we're going to take a look at our new lead search capabilities using our companies tab. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I'm going to click on a campaign and we are going to go ahead and use this new add companies feature. So we've had this before, but we've added some more capabilities to this. So with add companies, we can go ahead and take a CSV list of your accounts that you're working through, and maybe you're working on a set of accounts that you're selling one use case to. We can go ahead drop that CSV here, or of course you can always add it manually. I've gone ahead and done this ahead of time, so you can see here I've uploaded 3M, CVS Health, General Mills, etc. So we find this very helpful for people that are taking account-based selling approach, where you know sort of your top accounts, the use case you're trying to sell to those accounts, and need to quickly get these into a campaign, be able to look up all of those leads, and be able to kick off a campaign right away. So we have General Mills, we have PepsiCo. If I wanted to, I can select all. In this case, let's see, find ones that I haven't done yet. So once I select my companies, I can then ask Strama to find the leads. From there, I could say something like supply chain executives or logistics in the United States. So I give Strama natural language of what we're targeting. Strama is going to take that and populate a list of titles that make sense for this search. And then you see here we have a maximum leads per company. So for Target, I'm telling Strama, hey, you can find up to 20 people for that account. Doesn't mean it's going to return 20, but it gives it that option. And for Coca-Cola, I want you to find at least or up to 20 people there. And so you see here, that's going to give us a breakdown of how many credits that would use. For this search, I've already done this, so I don't think it's going to populate anything, but I'll just say two. Someone click start search. You can see here's our history of searches that are running. It's going to go ahead and find those folks and automatically populate that into our sequence. You see it just went ahead and added some folks. Um, so from here, once we have our people added, a lot of options we could do here, right? We can go ahead and enrich these contacts. We can qualify them en masse and go ahead and generate those sequences. So I'll hit qualify for noon. And yeah, that's, we're finding this is a great way for people to just quickly get started on their campaigns, especially if they're using account based selling methodology. If they have their territory defined and they know what accounts in their territory might need a specific campaign or use case or initiative, whatever that might be. So, find this really helpful. Hope that helped today. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly. And looking forward to seeing you soon. All right, bye bye.